Hello Palm Coast, I'm Jason DeLorenzo, Chief of Staff for the City of Palm Coast. Just like you, we have been monitoring the path of Hurricane Ian and preparing accordingly. This past week, our city code enforcement officers, building inspectors, and stormwater inspectors have been actively working with builders to secure materials on active construction sites and to improve stormwater management. Communications from the city and the Flagler Home Builders Association commenced on September 21st and continue at regular intervals. If you have a specific concern, please contact code enforcement at palmcoastgov/code enforcement. Stay informed, stay prepared, stay safe. Thank you.